Okay, so turn to the side.
Okay. All righty. Here we go, everybody. And there's Grandma. Smile, Grandma. Smile. Look at you. Smile. You better smile. Look here. Okay. Oh, look at here. There he is.
Look, come on.
Okay. No. Let her see her dad.
Look, let's open the present.
There he is.
Look.
See, there's your dad. Hey.
Look, let's open it.
Okay.
Look, Kate, look. Here.
All right. Here we go.
Open it. Open it. Don't sit on the baby, please.
Elaine, you need to get over closer so you can be in this.
Can you see her? Alex, if you got a picture of me, that's enough. There you go. Wow, look. Minnie.
Oh, yes.
Minnie. There's a mini purse. Minnie. Yeah. Wow. Minnie. Let's go to the next one. Here's your mini purse. Okay, look at this one.
Hey, go shut those blinds on that thing. The light's too much glare.
Wow. Let's open this one. Come on, pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Let's pull it. Tear it. Tear it. You can do it. Tear it. Good. Tear it.
Yeah, that's much better.
Is that better?
Yes, it is.
Wow. Her home. Her beau sweet home.
Look at your little grandma.
Yeah. Yeah. Look, there's Minnie and there's Peter. Minnie.
This is like Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go to the next one. Here, look at this one. Yeah. We don't know how long her attention span is going to go.
Yeah. She's doing good. As long as she's got something to tear up, she's good to go.
Look at this. Pull it.
Now I want to see this happen to baby Woody.
See what happens.
Yeah. All this.
What do you mean?
Like the torch.
I know. She got. Look, there's Minnie. Wow.
Caitlin. Hey. Hi. Uh-oh.
Bo. Yeah, there's Minnie. Bo, that's Minnie's Bo. Daisy.
Oh.
Dog, yep. And that's a bird. Bird, yep. Let's do this one, look. Pull it, pull it. Maybe. There's more. There's Daisy and Minnie. She's taking off with that.
She wants to set it up.
Yeah. Wow, so here, look, we got another present. Yeah. Yeah.
Eagle.
Look. Here, let's finish opening these and then we're going to play with this. Look, let's open this one. Look. Pull it, pull it. Pull it.
She's good at tearing up things, isn't she? Yeah.
There's your kitchen.
Goodness.
Mini kitchen.
Well, I take Grace likes that one.
Yeah. She had that one yesterday at Toys R Us. I couldn't even ring it up. I had to give it back to her. Okay, look, let's open this one. We got two more. Okay, look, come on, we're gonna play it. Look, here. Wow, it's a mini kitchen accessory. You can take this and play with it in your kitchen. more mini kitchen stuff to go with her kitchen at home. Yeah, Minnie. She wants Mickey. Yeah, Mickey. Look. You got one more except for this one. Look, come on. And here's her tablet. Here's that she has. See her pink tablet? Look, your own tablet. Look at
that. Goodness gracious. Repeat and repeat.
Yep. Say hi, Grace.
Hi, Grace.
Say,
hi,
my
sweetie.
birthday's coming up next.
She's, what's that strange fellow doing? Good Lord, I hope that thing says more than that.
Should we take it out of the package for her? Okay. Let's take it out. Come on. Think we're going to move these pieces? Yeah, hold on. They make these things so hard to get out now.
Well, what's sad is when it's childproof and an adult can't get into it.
I gotta have scissors to get it out. Here's a bow. There's your cupcake. A cupcake with a bow